Hi, Butch Zemar here. The question is, how do you become eligible for a tax credit? Those in the open enrollment period could apply on the marketplace, will potentially qualify for a tax credit. Not everybody will, and the only place you can get the tax credit is on the marketplace. If you apply direct and file your taxes at the end of the year, as the way the law is written today, in March of 2014, that you cannot get a health credit or health insurance tax credit at the end of the year unless you applied through the marketplace and didn't take enough advance credit or no advance credit. So how do you qualify? One is it depends on your filing status, whether you're single, married, or filing separate, married filing separate. You don't qualify for the tax credit if you're married filing separate, and then of course filing status of single and being married or had a household for that matter. Income, if your income ranges within these parameters that were set by the government, then you will be able to qualify or potentially qualify for the tax credit. The other one would be percentage of premiums. Unfortunately, the young and invincible are having a hard time qualifying for tax credit and getting pushed onto Medicaid because they feel that the premiums aren't high enough yet. And even if your income is higher than the Medicaid limit, you're not eligible for the tax credit because your premiums aren't high enough. They feel that it's deemed affordable. So those are our factors that go into it, and of course there's some other household questions that come involved, whether you're insuring the kids or not. These are issues and questions that come about on the health insurance marketplace website, and they'll walk you through it. Insurance agents will walk you through it as long as they've been through the federal training. So those are some of the determining factors that make you eligible for the tax credit. You can take all the credit at once or not, but it's a different story. When you go through the application, you'll be able to make a decision on that. And the only requirements is that one, you file a tax return for 2014 in the beginning part of 2015. The other requirement is that if you're any changes in your family status or income, you have to notify them right away, because that tax credit may have to stop. Because when you file your taxes, there may be a chance that you may have to owe 100% of that premium or tax credit back to the government, probably plus interest. Who knows at this point? But anyhow, you have to be careful with it and be honest when you fill it out. But those are some ways that you qualify for the tax credit.